I have been staring at Olaplex for so long and I finally got it, and my only regret is not trying this sooner as I'm already so impressed. Let me introduce you to the Olaplex No. 3. This is a pre-shampoo treatment that's actually designed to strengthen the bonds of your hair from the inside out. This targets damage from bleaching, coloring, heat, and mechanical treatments like those curling irons or pulling too hard with your brush. And it really is meant to repair damage and strengthen your hair's resilience over time. And it's not just doing surface smoothing, it's actually working on a structural level, and it has a proprietary patented molecule. That's what makes Olaplex so amazing. Now, there are some key steps to using this. You want to use this before you shampoo and condition, but you want your hair to be wet and slightly towel dried. So how I use it is I get my hair wet in the sink, I give it a nice quick dry, so it's at that wet, moist state, and that's what's gonna help this really spread throughout your hair. And then you want to fully saturate your hair from roots to ends with this, and then leave that on as long as you can. At least 10 minutes, but the longer the better. And then you want to, of course, rinse this out and shampoo and condition, ideally with Olaplex's shampoo and conditioner that's specific for your hair. Olaplex says that if you use this with their shampoo and conditioner, you're going to get 3 times stronger hair than using it without the whole system. And this is recommended to be used once a week, more if your hair is really damaged. Now, I gotta tell you that my hair is fine, prone to breakage. I actually just went to my hairdresser last week. He cut off a ton of it because it had so much breakage, and I decided to finally go for it, get Olaplex, as I had been staring at this for so long, and my hair already feels stronger. It just looks better. And even though my hairdresser trimmed it, there was still a lot of breakage along here, and I'm not seeing any breakage now. It's really clean throughout. So really, really nice. Now, I do want to point out this is not for those perfect insta hair results. For those, I would actually go more for like Olaplex's oils or something else. This is really meant as an over the time treatment. The more you use it, the more resilient your hair is going to become. So this is a long-term treatment. It's not only impressive right out of the gate, but it's supposed to only get better. I am thrilled I got this. I think you're gonna love it as well. Olaplex is well loved for good reason. They are a known brand specifically because of their patent molecule, and I am so glad I got Olaplex No. 3.